Hey guys, welcome back for another Frequently Asked Questions with Luke and Burham from Leavens Volvo Cars London. Today is a special day. We have a special guest here from our service department. This is Chris Furtado. He's our service manager. Welcome to the show, Chris.
First of all, I'd like to thank you very much for having me on your show. Huge supporter, watch every episode, so thanks a lot.
Awesome, thanks Chris, we appreciate that. Awesome, so let's get right into the frequently asked questions. The first one, pretty easy. What are the service intervals for a Volvo?
Service intervals for a Volvo are every 16,000 kilometers. So once a year and every 16,000 kilometers is when you come in. So lots of other manufacturers, you'll do 2 services, but for Volvo, you'll just do the 1 in a 16,000 kilometer interval. So
Nice, it's spread apart like that. It makes it, pretty easy for customers. Burham, do you want to go ahead with the next question?
Yeah, absolutely. A lot of questions we get asked here is, do we have any service loaners, or what's with the service loaner process in dealership?
we do have service loaners. We have 10 service loaners, and they are by reservation only, pretty much. We do have some in case of an emergency, but we do book out a couple weeks, so make sure that you give us enough notice so we can book you a service loaner. And if you don't need a service loaner, we have shuttle service, which can get you to and from around the city. And if you don't really need your vehicle, you're always welcome to drop your vehicle off and leave it with us, and we'll get it done within a day or two. So
It's great to hear that with our clients, whether they book in advance, they're covered with a service loaner. Furthermore, if it's an emergency, something comes up, we have vehicles here for them just in case they gotta get to an appointment or get to work or pick up their kids from school or anything like that.
yeah, it's a nice touch. Customers really enjoy the loaner program. It also gives them a chance to test drive other models that we have. So, and it makes it convenient for their day, especially if they're on the road all the time. So.
Awesome, thanks for that. Another question that we get pretty frequently, I get this one all the time. Are Volvos typically expensive to maintain?
They can be if you don't go to the dealership. Yeah, it's, you know what, with 16,000 kilometer intervals, once a year, when the vehicle's here, yes, it takes a while for us to do the service, but we go through the vehicle very thoroughly. We do send you a video report card. The technician will actually send you a video report card with their inspection. It's kind of like a highlight, like the highlights of the inspection, which just shows you pretty much the condition of your vehicle underneath your vehicle, things that you can't see. And as you come in for service, you kind of see things progress, right? So what was green the last time might need some attention this time. You can kind of see that happen. So customers really seem to like that. And it's a full service dealership. So, if you have a chipped windshield or a broken windshield, we can take care of that. We have people come in and we do it all in-house here. We make sure we use all the Volvo genuine parts. We have the best parts warranties I've ever seen in the industry, where, if we replace a part, it's lifetime warranty, parts and labor, right? If you have to end up paying for something. So it's generally cheaper to maintain your vehicle at the Volvo dealership, just because, we're doing everything right. And every customer who services their vehicle regularly with us, we don't really see any sort of nightmare issues down the road. It's pretty consistent, right? So.
Yeah, Chris, absolutely. Going off of what you said, Luke and I and a lot of our sales consultants here at the dealership, we often get asked from our clients, why should I service here? A lot of them ask, what if I can just do the oil change or something like that in my driveway, or take it to another a quick in and out place for basic service and maintenance? Why should clients be coming here to our dealership to do service?
Well, there are lots of reputable places out there that could work on a Volvo for sure, but there's lots of customers who come in who need us to reset a service light because that wasn't done, or those places may not have access to downloading software into your vehicle, the latest version. So you're kind of almost, doing 2 visits instead of 1 visit. And I know with most of our clients, time's very important. Time is money, right? So you almost can't afford not to service it at the Volvo dealership, right? With our loaner cars, our shuttle service, our valet service. We have a valet service as well. We try to make it very convenient, and obviously we want to get your vehicle fixed right the first time and get you back on the road. So
Obviously, no, Chris, not to mention, we do have a great service staff here at the dealership, as well as our sales consultants, detail department, parts department, furthermore, our service advisors and our management team. If you have any questions about sales or service, feel free to come in and speak to either Luke, myself, or Chris, or anyone here at the dealership, and allow us to show you the true definition of Scandinavian luxury.